Come on, Kresstar, come on!
Finishing on a time of 1 hour, 11 minutes and 19 seconds is bib number 21202. Bib number 21202. Kresstarjune Pathao from Shillong. Well done, congratulations. And now, the first prize for the 5-kilometer fun race men's category goes to bib number 5132. 5132. Bib number, yeah, Loman Pakatna, 5-kilometer men's race. And if you could please share your name with us. Daniel? Walang from Meghalaya. Congratulations. Congratulations once again to our winners for the 5 kilometers fun race for the men's category.